Yo, I honestly think Jordan Brand and Nike is kind of going the wrong direction with some of these OG classic colorways. We're going to talk about it in today's video. Stick around, stay tuned, smack that like button. We're going to get right into it, man. Let's get it. Hey, if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need y'all to do, man, hit that sub button, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we do drop. And everybody right now, stop what you're doing, relax, chill out, and smack that like button right now, man. That like button goes a long way, and the goal for every single video is 400 likes, man. So if you guys are tapping in, smack that like button, drop some comments down below, let me know what you think about today's topic. Classic OG Air Jordan 1 colorways, and I feel like they might even, tap into some other classic colorways, like, different silhouettes, 13s, 5s, 4s, and stuff like that, which we'll be seeing as well in 2024. All right, so I came over here to the Air Jordan 1 just so it's super easy for me to pull out one of the best Air Jordan 1 colorways of all time, the Air Jordan 1 Royals. Now, these right here have to be on, like, a lot of people's top 3 lists, maybe even #1 for a lot of people. I watch a lot of people on YouTube and get a lot of people's opinions down below in the comment section of videos saying that this is their #1 Air Jordan 1 ever to release. And you guys can let me know how you think about that. We got the Breads, we got Chicagos, we got Royals, we got so many dope Air Jordan 1 colorways, and it seems like Nike and Jordan Brand, are they playing with them? You know what I'm saying? They definitely switching it up, and we're gonna be getting the reimagined Air Jordan 1s this year. So I thought it was gonna be 2024, but it is later this year. We're gonna be getting the reimagined Air Jordan 1 Royals, and me myself, just looking at the pictures, put a couple up here somewhere, I'm not really feeling them. It's an all over like suede new buckish looking Air Jordan Royal. Of course, it's gonna still have that Royal colorway. Nothing, pretty much changes besides the type of, material that they do throw on a sneaker. So I guess at the end of the day, it is still that OG colorway. It's still that Royal. And me myself, I don't know how, interested I am in that sneaker just because of what they're doing with it. So like they switching all the way up, different hits, different materials, suede over look. But the only thing I do, kind of plays in the favor of Nike when they do, messing with these OG colorways is like sneakers like this. So we got the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds, and this is more true to that OG, Chicago 1 rather than the new reimagined Air Jordan 1 Royals, because only thing they did different on these is, made it, an age sneaker. They threw in, the little worn out look on the heel, and even on some hits of the leather around the sneaker. So these are like truer to the OG Air Jordan 1 Chicago. So they did a good job with these, in my opinion. Only thing they didn't do right is the release date. You guys know how that went. Had to be one of the worst releases of all time on Nike Sneakers app. Foot Locker, Flex. It was just so impossible to attain these things via online. Like you had a little mom and pop shop in your area, you can do a manual raffle, you probably was good. But people like me that relied strictly on, Sneakers app, you took a huge L. It was just super crazy. But back to the topic of the video, Jordan Brand messing with these OG colorways. Me, myself, like I said, they did a good job with the reimagined Lost and Found 1s, but these reimagined Royals, man, I don't even know if they're gonna amount to anything near the OG colorway and, the reimagined Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. And real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Bread 4s. They're somewhere over here, but you guys know next year, they're gonna be doing another spinneroo with the Air Jordan 1 Breads. And check these beauties out, Air Jordan 4 Breads. And like I said, man, they're gonna be doing another switch up, reimagined look with these as well. So these right here are gonna be all over leather. Like, bro, what is Nike doing? They going from the new buck to all over leather. But if I had to choose between which one of the reimagines I do like a little bit more, it would have to be the Air Jordan 4 Breads. I'm not too interested. It's almost like they switched these two sneakers. These are all leather, these are all nubuck suede-ish, and they're gonna be flipping them across and making these all suede and nubuckish, and these right here leather. I just hope that they have some super tumble leather like they do on these Royals right here. These joints are so comfortable. The quality is so good, and I've had these for years now, and they're still holding up in that good quality leather, man. So all over leather Air Jordan 4 braids. You guys let me know what you think about that one. I cannot wait to read you guys' comments and see what you guys are thinking about what Nike and Jordan Brand is doing, switching up these OG colorways and making them into something totally different, something we're not used to. But you know, Jordan Brand always do that. They mix it up, they switching it up, giving us new hits here and there, and we're not getting just the regular Air Jordan 4 braids. We're getting that reimagined look. So the expected release date for the Royal One Reimagines is November the 4th. So right around that, you know, Black Friday time frame. But then we get another heat pair. I think it's a Cherry Toes again in November, October. That's a lot of stuff dropping this year. It's crazy. I thought I was gonna be, you know, slack off on cop and stuff, but they just keep giving this banger after banger. And I might be wrong. I might come back to this video and like literally eat every word I said, because the all suede or, you know, new buckets paired or reimagined look other Royals, I might just fall in love with it. Who knows? Everything does look a lot different in hand. That's why I was talking about the Air Jordan 6, you know, Toro Bravos. He looks so much better. That's just one sneaker I can think of off the top of my head. And the Spider-Verse Air Jordan 1s, like, first pictures, terrible on the release date. They're actually a nice colorway, nice sneaker. And like I said, the Royal Reimagined ones might be the same case. Who knows? So yeah, November the 4th, $180. They didn't raise the retail tag up. That's a good thing, you know what I'm saying? Everything else seems like it's going up $10, $20 here and there. But like I said, November 4th, $180. You guys let me know how you feel about it. Reimagined Air Jordan 1s. And the Royal spinoff, and then of course next year 2024, which we're gonna talk about when we get closer to the end of the year, the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagines. And if I'm not tripping, I could have swore I seen a post or somebody talking about an Air Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagine dropping in 2024. I might be wrong, but I think I did see some rumors, some speculation, some posts about the Black Toe Air Jordan 1 Reimagines. Hopefully we do get that. I still regret selling my pair. We are getting the lows here in July, or maybe even June. It's either June or July, we getting the black toe lows. So if we get those, super dope. I'm here for it. But I'm still on the fence about these Royal Reimagined joints. So yeah, man, I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Is Jordan Brand messing up these OG colorways, or are you here with it? You rocking with the Reimagined line or not? Can't wait to read you guys' comments, man. Sub up right now. Smack that like button if you enjoyed today's content. I cannot wait to read you guys, you know what I'm saying, comments, seeing how y'all feel about it. It should be very spicy down below in the comment section. I can't wait. Again, man, sub up, smack that like button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.